Want to take a long screenshot on your iPhone? First, you want to open the page or app you want to capture, like a long article, recipe, or chat. Now, press the volume up and side button at the same time. Then quickly release it to take a screenshot. Open the screenshot preview. Here you will find the full page option. Go ahead and tap on that. This captures the entire scrollable content instead of just what's on the screen. Once you're happy, go ahead and tap on the tickmark option at the top right corner and then select Save to Photos. Your long screenshot is now saved. To view it, open up your Photos app. Now you can simply zoom in and you will find that the screenshot is exactly how you would find it in the Safari app. In this way, you can easily take a long screenshot on iPhone, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.